Imagine this, we take Earth, and we move it to Mars' position, and Mars. We put it where Earth used to be. Two planets, one cosmic swap. Would Earth survive the brutal cold? Could Mars suddenly come to life? Let's find out. 1. Cosmic context, visual of the solar system, highlighting Earth and Mars orbits. Earth orbits the Sun at about 150 million kilometers. Mars is further out, minus 228 million kilometers away. That may not seem like a huge difference, but in space, that's the difference between paradise and an icy grave. Earth is in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold. Mars is right on the edge, too cold for liquid water to stick around. So what happens when we switch them? 2. Earth at Mars position. Visual Earth moving out to Mars orbit. As Earth drifts into Mars orbit, the Sun grows dimmer in our skies. Solar energy drops by 44%. Temperatures begin to plummet. Cities built for spring and summer suddenly face endless winter. Cut to simulation of global cooling. The oceans start to freeze, especially in the poles. Crops fail. Ecosystems collapse. Mass extinction begins. Within just a few decades, the atmosphere condenses, trapping less heat. Places like New York or Tokyo gone under snow. Could humanity survive in bunkers or artificial habitats? Maybe, but Earth's paradise is gone. 3. Mars at Earth's orbit. Visual. Mars moving inward. Glowing slightly brighter now. Mars takes Earth's place. It's warmer here. Temperatures rise dramatically. The CO in its atmosphere creates a mini greenhouse effect. Glaciers start melting. Ancient riverbeds flood again. Could Mars become habitable? Not quite yet. It still has a thin atmosphere, no magnetic field, weak gravity, so solar radiation scorches its surface, and the little water that appears quickly evaporates or freezes at night. 4. Can we terraform Mars now? Visual. Futuristic terraforming machines on Mars, but now that Mars is in a warmer spot, we have a huge opportunity. With enough effort, nuclear reactors, greenhouse gas factories, and asteroid impacts full of water, we could begin terraforming. Mars might slowly gain thicker atmosphere, stable temperatures, flowing water, maybe life. It would still take centuries, but this location gives us a head start. 5. Can we save Earth? Visual. Earth frozen. Megastructures harvesting solar energy back to Earth in the cold outer orbit. Could we warm it up? Yes, but barely. We'd need space mirrors reflecting sunlight, global fusion reactors underground. Cities, artificial suns orbiting Earth. A frozen Earth becomes a survival bunker, not a home. 6. Final comparison. Earth has everything: atmosphere, water, biodiversity, but needs the sun's warmth. Mars is dry and dead, but in the right spot, it could bloom. Ironically, Earth dies faster when moved. Mars has potential to grow. But there's a catch. Earth's magnetic field protects life from radiation. Mars doesn't have one. So even if Mars warms up, it may never be safe without artificial shields. 7. Final thoughts. This scenario teaches us something powerful. A planet isn't just about what it is. It's about where it is and how it's protected. Not just because of its water and oxygen. Earth is special, but because it's in the right place, with the right conditions. Move it, and everything falls apart. So, what if we swap Earth with Mars? Now you know, but we've got even crazier what ifs coming next. Subscribe to What Next, and always ask, what if?